When you buy denims, it either fits your waist or your hips. So what's the solution? I have 5 easy tricks for you. Number 1, buy your denims that fits the widest part of your body. Don't try to squeeze in your waist, your hips, or any part of your lower body into those denims. Number 2, a little stretch takes a long way. Any denim up to 2 to 3% of elastane will give you a nice fit. Number 3, alteration is the key. Don't punish your body into fitting yourself into those mass-produced commercial sizes. Every freaking denim that I wear is altered to my waist because I have a heavier lower body. You're 5'2" or 5'10", it doesn't matter. Your denim has to be up to your ankle length. Number 5, mid-waist denim works for everyone. Ditch those low waist and high waist for now and invest in good mid-waist denims. These 5 points will definitely work when you want to buy your denims next time, and the questions that you send me on waist to hip ratio, that problem's not going to happen. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions.